Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the Cavitation Muffler Upgrade for the Tadpole inside of Subnautica 2. Basically it's the stealth upgrade, and you will find this bad boy by going from the research center, which is right over here, and then you've got one of two options here. You can go skim along the boundary wall kind of at a weird zigzag here along this black portion on the map until you reach this spot over here next to the acid pools, or you can follow my path, which we're just going to go down through here, and then we're just going to gently glide across the top to go get to it, because the crazy squid's over here somewhere, but he doesn't really come over here, so it's probably going to be just fine. So to follow my path, we're going to start here at the research outpost. I'm 1,300 meters directly east from the life pod, so if you're ever at the life pod, just head straight east until you see this big crazy tower, then head down. Just bob along the surface and the squid shouldn't eat you. And what we're going to do is we're just going to zip down over towards the angel comb, and then once we get to the giant power plant, we're going to skim underneath of his nearest legs and then follow the sort of northeastern top of like the wall until we reach our destination. There's basically just a pile of junk before you reach the overlooking the acid pits. It's the furthest little pile of junk over there, and it's actually relatively easy to reach. So what we want to do is we just want to be careful, because once we get to the left of this pillar, we're going to start reaching towards the barrier of the wall. But we just want to kind of hug over sort of toward the precipice where we overlook that ravine that I normally go down. And we're just going to follow this really closely with the wall just directly next to us until we reach that pile of junk overlooking the acid pits. And I can already see it. Now the wall looks like it's going to be blocking us, but it'll open up with a little corner here. And then we can just skim along. Just try to stay as close as you can to the floor, and then you should be fine, and the squid shouldn't decide that you look delicious and snackable. So you can get over here. The upgrade is right here. There's an upgraded advanced battery you can scan as well if you want, if you haven't already gotten that. And then there's a few goodies right here you can pick up as well, along with a journal that I guess I never got either. Okay, once we get back to base with our Cavitation Muffler Upgrade, you can build it inside of your modification station, and inside of the Tadpole section you'll see the, it's not the engine efficiency, but the Cavitation Muffler requires 2 strontium and a bunch of titanium to craft, so it's relatively cheap, and it muffles the noise of the Tadpole, making it less likely to attract unwanted attention. I will say, the one thing that I do not know at this time is how much this muffles your noise from the Tadpole by. It also doesn't specify whether or not it stacks. So keep that in mind when making this. It may or may not stack. It doesn't even really say on the official Subnautica 2 wiki, so I am not certain. But this is a very important and very helpful stealth upgrade, so I strongly recommend it. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been the Cavitation Muffler Upgrade Guide for Subnautica 2. I've been your host, Larry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.